If you've ever been disgusted by the typical factory farm pig operation, I think you'd be really interested in this series of pastured pork production. We're not tweaking the great big house and saying, well, can we have them in there with less density? Can we do it with less drugs or fewer drugs or chemicals or whatever? No, let's do a 180-degree turnaround to an entirely different paradigm. Let's, instead of being inside, let's go outside. Instead of confining in little cubicles, let's let them have a playground to be in. And instead of having a white, flabby, tasteless product, let's have a rose-colored, iron-rich, nutrient-dense product. And so in this series, we present a way to grow pork in a way that can give the best bacon in the world, heal the ecology, honor the pig, and bring the best bacon to your plate you can imagine.